In this video I will show you how to compress this PDF into a smaller size. Let's see how big this file is. This file is 129 megabytes. We will reduce this file size down to 9 megabytes. Open up the browser you are using. I will use Chrome. Type in the search bar, ilovepdf.com. Go to this tool here where it says Compress PDF. Push on that. Now go and get the PDF you want to compress. I will use the example PDF I showed you before. Pick it up and drop it anywhere on this website. Now there's 3 options to choose from. Recommended compression, less compression, or extreme compression. We will go with the top option as we want to make the file as small as possible. Push on extreme compression. Then push the red button at the bottom which says Compress PDF. This may take a while, so be patient. As you can see, this file is 129 megabytes, and it will take a little time to compress. We have managed to compress a 129 megabyte file into a 9 megabyte file. Download the new compressed PDF here. New PDF is now downloading to your computer. Go to your Downloads folder and retrieve the PDF. Let's compare the PDFs. We will open the original PDF first. The first PDF was 129 megabytes. And the second PDF is 9 megabytes. We have managed to save 120 megabytes by compressing this file.